Exporting your project in After Effects is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Before we begin, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more clear and concise tutorials like this one. Let's get started. Once your composition is ready for exporting, make sure the timeline is set to include the portion you want to render. Adjust the workspace if necessary by dragging the blue handles at the top of the timeline. Next, go to the top menu and click File, then hover over to Export and select Add to Render Queue. This will open the Render Queue tab at the bottom of your workspace. In the Render Queue, you'll see two important options: Output Module and Output To. Start with the Output Module. Click on the text that says Lossless or a similar setting, and a window will pop up. Here you can select your desired format, such as QuickTime or H.264. For most online platforms, H.264 is a great choice because it balances quality and file size. Once you've set the format, click OK to save the changes. Now move to the Output To option. Click the text next to it and choose where to save the exported file on your computer. Make sure to name your file something recognizable and save it to the right folder. If you need more advanced options, you can use Adobe Media Encoder for export. To do this, go to File, Export, and then Add to Adobe Media Encoder Queue. This gives you more flexibility, such as choosing presets for specific platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, but it is by no means necessary. Once everything is set, go back to the Render Queue and click the Render button. For Media Encoder though, press the green Play button at the top of the Media Encoder panel. And that's it! Your video will export, and you'll find the file in the location that you chose. I hope this quick tutorial helped.